Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a website to Google. You can see here, Lubna have written blogs and she created a website, many blogs written. Now she gave proper title descriptions. Before I submit to Google, let me check first whether she followed all the rules and regulations or not. So let me open this. She selected a topic regarding the Bang movie, and this is a post name called H1 heading and the content and titles and description. And every image she gave alternate text also. There are some mistakes in this title description, means how to give this. I'll come back to this later anyway. Now, whenever she wrote blog, a post, a page content, the crawler will come to this website and crawl it. Okay. But see this thing, before I tell you how to submit to Google, assume that this is the crawler. Crawler or spider, this is the software. Okay. And Lubna, do you know what spider do? Not this spider, the creature spider.
Then the webs.
Why it will create web?
To move across.
Why it has to move? It have many legs, it can go. Why it's creating a web? So you don't know the fact then.
Okay, I don't know.
It create the web. It's a trap actually. It's a trap. Okay?
Yes.
Any insect, assume that insect fall in the trap, it can't move anywhere. It can't move anywhere. Then crawler is here. Then it will find the nearest route. It will catch the creature and it will eat it. Okay? Now, Google also called their software as a crawler. Here, these are all the websites. All the websites are interconnected properly. It's interconnected. Okay? Whenever crawler come to particular websites, where it is crawling, it found that it have a link to some other website also. Then crawler will go to that website, this website, in such a way, every website it will crawl. In such a way, Google is crawling every website which is there in the web world. Now, lubna.dialpalamuru.com, which you've created, your website is here. It's a new website. You're not in the web. Is there any chance that crawler will come to this page? No, right?
No.
Because crawler start here, it will move here only. This is the new website. Same way at home also, the spider, it will try to capture the creature which is in the web only. Now, if the crawler, the spider want to trap this, it has to create separate web again. We don't know how much time it will take anyway. So what you have to do is you have to put a request to the crawler that make me join in this club. So you have to put a request. When you put a request, maybe you'll be joining this web. Okay. When you join in this club, then crawler have a very good chance of reading this website. So I'll show you how
Subhash,
to do.
can you please stop the video?
Right.
Your paint.
So you have to request the crawler to join in the club. How to do this? In order to request it, there is a tool called Webmaster Tools. Okay. Also called Search Console. Okay. So you have to request with this. Let me go back to that. Webmaster Tools, a Search Console. See, this you have to do only one time, not every time. Once you join in the club, you are there. So go to Webmaster Tool, log in with your Gmail account. I'm already logged in with the Gmail account. You can see, you will see this option.
Which account it should be? Which account this should be?
Any Gmail account. Any Gmail account.
Okay, any Gmail account. All right.
Welcome to Google Search Console. To start, select property type. There are two options anyway, domain and URL prefix. Generally, I'm asking you to choose this. Uh, and you may be asking questions, what is this anyway? All URLs across all subdomains, if any website you have, let me explain clearly. You have a website called techcourses.com, and you try starting sap.techcourses.com, datascience.techcourses.com. In such way, many subdomains you're creating. This is also a website, this is also a website. At the time, if your website have multiple subdomains, you take this, push it over here and continue it. So automatically all subdomains will be joined in the club. Okay. And whereas this, no, I want to do manually. Then what you have to do is this one you have to do separately, this one you have to do separately, this one you have to do separately. You don't have any subdomains, happily can go for this. And when it comes to
So,
websites also, generally
yeah.
Webmaster tool, when you're submitting, your website is www.abc.com. This topic I'll tell you later, just listen. And abc.com, Google thinks both are different. And Google think HTTP www.abc.com is different. HTTPS www.abc. These are all different. At the time, what you have to do is each and every one you have to push it manually. One time, second time, third time, fourth time. But if you go here, all will be done. Okay, this will learn it later. As of now, we're doing this only. I'm taking your blog like lubna.dialpolymer.com, your URL, push it back here to it. Okay, click on continue. So I'm going to I've been to Webmaster tool, logged in with the Gmail account, and I've selected.
Comparatively, which one is better?
This is better anyway. But if your website is vast, then it's better. If it is simple, go for this.
But if my website has a blog which is on a subdomain, then
you have to go here. So at the time also 2 websites you can submit here. But if you're adding more, it's better you can go for here. I'll show both of them, don't worry. How to do both,
all right.
I'll show you. Now done. Click on continue. Now Google asks you a question that why should I believe that this is your website? Prove me. It is asking the verification. Why should I believe that lubna.dialpolymer.com is yours? Verify it. So here there is one file. This file you have to submit your website. This you can't do it, somewhat technical, but there are remaining alternate methods. You can do with your Google Analytics. You can do with the Google Tag Manager. If you bought your domain and hosting from some provider, you can log into your GoDaddy or any other service. You can do it. Let me do a simple one. Go here, and there is a code. This code is clearly mentioned. You have to put it in a head section of your website. So I'm going back to my website. Generally, WordPress is more of English only. There will be no coding, but complete theme code will be available under Appearance, Theme Editor. Appearance and Theme Editor. So the complete code is available here. So it's very dangerous to change anything because it's spoil your website. That's why you should be very careful. Where I have to paste? You have to paste it in a head section. How to find the head section? Come back right hand side. Find out theme footer, theme header. Can you find it? There is a theme header. So select it. Once you select it, come back here. Now here complete code is where I have to paste. Your HTML start with the HTML. It have a head section. Then you have a body section. Exactly before closed head, go back, enter, and push it here. Got it? Got it, Lubna?
Yes.
Yeah, appearance, theme editor, go to theme header, exactly before the head section, paste the code and click on update file. Now,
all right.
Some websites, some themes, what happened? When you check here right hand side, you will not found the theme header option. You will not found it. At the time, you have to download one plugin. People who watching this video also, whenever you're trying, if the theme header is not appearing, you do one thing, download one plugin called header and footer. Header and footer. Can you see this? Insert headers and footers. So install this plugin. Some themes you won't find that head section. That's the reason it's good to install this plugin. Activate it. Now that plugin will go to settings, insert headers and footers. This is easy one rather than that one. Simply paste that code over here in a script header. That's it. In future, you'll be having analytics code. You'll be having a conversion tracking, many codes you can
So
paste.
basically, there's nothing to do to go to that edit
Theme editor,
the
yeah.
theme.
If you download
No
this
need to
plugin,
go there.
yeah.
Okay,
If you
all
download
right.
this plugin, no need to go this. Okay. So I showed one method going to appearance theme editor. Second method is installing this plugin and going over there. There is one more method of verifying it also. One more method is I told you to install all-in-one SEO pack. This plugin for SEO, titles and description will be getting.
Yes.
Click on this. These days, all-in-one SEO are doing many things anyway. Come back here. Scroll down. Can you see? Google Search Console verification. If you want to submit to Bing also, you can do it. Yandex also you can do. Baidu, different search engines it's asking anyway. So what you have to paste here? So here I asked you to take the complete code, right? Don't take the complete code. Content equals to something is there. Whatever there in the inverted commas, take this and come back here and just paste it here and click on update options. That's it. That's it. I'm not going to do it anyway. Three options are there. Either of the option you can do it anyway. I already pasted in the head section. Come back here, click on verify. Now Google go and check whether the code is inserted or not. If it is inserted properly, it says that it will be verified. Okay, something happened. Let me see why it is. Control, create theme editor. And theme header. Before the head section I posted, it's fine. It's not done. I'm checking again. If it is not coming, we'll go with another method. It's good for you also anyway. Okay, no problem. Then what I'm doing is, I'm going back to the settings, insert headers and footers.
But will that small code that changes we did there, will it not affect the entire coding of the website?
Nothing. Now I paste it over here. Again, I'm checking here.
Verify.
See, it is done. Generally, it will be done. Due to some reasons, it's done. If it is also not coming, then take that code which is there in inverted commas, put it in the all-in-one SEO pack. Now, what happened? We are joined in the club. We joined in the club. This what are the verification method? Only one time you will do it. You don't have to do multiple times. Now, you wrote a blog like Salman Khan movie blog. Crawler will definitely come to your place, but we don't know when it will come. It might come today, after 1 hour, tomorrow, maybe after 10 days also it will come. Assume that today one celebrity died and you wrote a blog and crawler came after 10 days. Is it good? That news is old news. No man, I don't want it to come after 10 days. I want right now. So there is a facility directly you can contact to the crawler that come right now. How to contact? So this is your blog. Copy this. Copy this, complete URL, come back to Webmaster Tools. Here, you manually crawling this. Every page, every post you write, it's a good practice to crawl manually so that crawler will come. No doubt that crawler will come definitely, but sometimes you want immediate benefits. Always good practice to inspect your URL over here. Now
So
I
is it
say,
that only the URL or the entire, all the pages of the URL has to be
see here,
put into the crawler like that?
URL means particular post only. Now you want to crawl another blog,
Okay.
another post, take that post.
Okay, okay.
So open this, it will be having a different URL, take that URL. So this pop-up is disturbing a lot, please remove it. Now it's saying that URL is not on Google. Okay. So this page is not indexed because till now Google haven't come. So request indexing. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So first Google did crawling, it read your content. Now it is doing indexing. Uh, Crawler will come and read each and every line. Am I correct?
Yes. No,
What did it
not
read?
every line.
What did
It
it
will
read?
read only the name of the post, the
See here.
description, I mean the
First,
title
it will
description.
read the title. See, this is the title.
Yeah.
It will read the description.
Yeah.
What description you gave, and what it will read the file name. It will read the H1
Yeah.
heading. Then image you have give all text or not.
All this.
Whether
Yes.
you made bold
Bold and
italic.
italics,
You didn't give
links.
any links in this post.
Um, just check Chulbul Pandey. There's a link I gave somewhere to Chulbul Pandey,
Take
maybe in another
another
post.
post you did, not in this. Okay. If links are there, it will check it anyway. Then it will index. Crawling is done. Indexing. What do you mean by indexing?
Storing information.
So depends on your content, whether I have to store in movies, technology, fashion. Sub one will index. What is the third option?
Calculating relevancy.
Calculating relevancy means assume that regarding Dabang 3 movie, total 3 people have written a blog. Now Google decide who should come on top, whether this guy, this guy, this guy, based on many factors: duplicate content or original content, keywords, how many times repeated, where they repeated, whether they have used synonyms or not. Okay, it's done. Now, third, how to check your rank? How to check your rank?
You
Go to
mean
where you are
calculating
coming.
relevancy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to go to Google and check it. Go to Google and check it. So I'm not checking right now, but it will take some time. What are the blog you written? When you submit to Google, it might take 24 hours times. Sometimes within 10 minutes happens. Sometimes it will take 24 hours time. Assume that this is your focus keyword. Assume this is your focus keyword. I want to search this keyword. Come back and search here. Where is your website coming? Now your website is Dial Palamuru, right? You have to check whether the domain is available or not. Whether the domain is available or not. If it is not available, again you have to go to second page, check whether it is available or not. But it's take time, right? As of now, in SERP, search engine results page, there will be 10 results per page. If you have 100 results, it's very easy for you. How to make 100 results in a page? Settings, search settings, from 10 to 100, you can make it. Now we have 100 results in a page. So easily you can find where it is. Now I'm selecting that. So I'll show you another keyword. It will not take immediately. Can you see now? You can see 100 results.
Yeah.
In this, I want to find for the particular keyword where my website is appearing. I have to check Control F and type my
Okay.
domain name.
Find.
My domain name is ODMT. So it's showing that my website is here. But where it is standing, I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like numbers I have to count. But again, it's a time consuming one. If you want to show the numbers, there is an add-on called Seo Quake. Seo Quake is an add-on either for your Chrome or Mozilla. You can add, install it. It will be adding like this. If you install, what happens? You will get numbers. Can you see the difference now? You got the numbers.
Right.
Can you see the
Yeah.
numbers? 6, 7. Now Control F,
There's
type your
ODMT.
domain name. It's in the 16th position. For the particular keyword, your website is in this position. I'm searching another keyword. Again, Control F, type your domain name. 6th position. This is called web position analysis. For the previous keyword, Google thought that mine is about 18th most relevant content. For the particular keyword, Google thought that mine is the 6th most relevant content for the particular keyword Google thought. So this is called web position analysis. Let us search yours. I'm telling again, it might take some time anyway. Yeah, it is. The good thing is it is indexed anyway. We can check with your site name. It is showing that it indexed, but for the particular keyword, it might take some time to show. Better we'll search tomorrow to find it. No, we'll search tomorrow. Don't worry. So, how to submit your website to Google? Again, I'm telling you. Once you created your website, first time you're doing, first step is go to Webmaster Tools. This is also called Search Console. Okay, log in with your Gmail account. Then you'll be having two boxes, first box, second box. Choose first box if your website is vast. You have a lot of subdomains. You don't want to separately submit www.abc, http, https. No, mine is a very small website. Go to the second box, which I showed. Put your domain name over there. What is the domain name? In second box. When you enter, click on apply. When you apply, Google asks you verification. Google asks you verification like, why should I believe that this is your website? So prove me that this is your website. So when it is asking verification, there are many verification methods are there. Select HTML verification method. There they'll be giving a code. This code, you can paste it in many ways. I'll tell you the ways. First way is, again, A method. Put it in head section of your code. How to do this? Go to WordPress dashboard, appearance, theme editor. When you click on theme editor, right hand side, you will find header and footer. Select the header, select the theme header. When you select it again, left hand side, you'll be getting a dashboard here. Here you'll be having a code like HTML head, and after some content, there will be a closed head also. You have to paste your code before just before the close head, you have to paste. This is one method. This will work anyway, but some people, when trying, they don't find the theme header. At that time, download one plugin called header and footer. Type it on a search box of plugin, you'll be finding it. Once you install it, it will be going to the settings, header and footer. Select them. Once you select that, one box will come where you'll be finding header and footer. So put the code in header and verify. And verify. Here also same verify. It will be done. One more option is there with the help of all-in-one SEO pack. If you already install all-in-one SEO pack, it's okay. Otherwise, install all-in-one SEO pack. Once you install, click on that plugin, scroll down, you will find all verification like Google, Bing, all of them. Besides Google, you will be having a box. So what are the verification code you got it? There is big code. there is an option called content equals to some code. You have to copy the code which is there in a inverted commas, paste it over here, click on verify. So try any one of them. Once it is done, you'll be going to the dashboard like this. This is the dashboard. But here, you just submitted your website to Google. This you have to do only one time. Every blog you want to crawl, copy the URL, come back here, push it over here, and enter it. Now, crawler will come to your website. It's crawling the important places. After that, it will tell you whether it is indexed or not. So it is not indexed. URL is not on Google. Sometimes, if it is already indexed, it will show you that URL is already indexed. Then no problem. Okay, if it is not, then request indexing. Request indexing is accepted means you are somewhere in the Google. We don't know where it is. For that, you have to check your keyword, check where you are. Generally, in SERP, 10 results will be there. You have to make 100 results for the page. How to make? Settings, search setting, drag from 10 to 100. 100 results will be there. Again, out of 100 results, finding your domain name is very difficult. That is the reason, have some numbers. Install Seo Quake so that you will be getting a numbers. And after that, Control F and search. This process is called web position analysis. In order to do web position analysis, page results from 10 to 100 and install Seo Quake once for showing numbers, and make sure that Control F, check your domain name. That's it. Tell me, Lubna, your questions.
My questions are regarding Google Search Console. After updating or feeding the website or any page of the website into the crawler, yeah, on top, enter, and then when you're indexing it, every time you have a new page or a new post, you have to index it like that?
Yeah. You know, you have a good news. Your blog is appearing in 42nd position. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Chalo, party then.
Why? It's not in first 10, so why party?
You can't expect first 10 in a first blog. Still, it's good. So as of now, your website is appearing in a 42nd position. How to move this from here to another place? Few more techniques are there. It's always good to come on top 100 initially. You're doing good anyway. But there are some mistakes I'm going to tell you. Okay? Not now. Not now in this video.
All right. But my question was that every time I put a new post or a page, I have to index it.
Correct. You have to crawl it.
Yeah, all right.
Manually, you have to put a request.
But you said that it's only once the website is gone.
See.
Then
only once you are requesting like this, you just make him to join here. But every post you write, it's always good to put a request to crawler, please come back here. See this process, you copying it, pasting over here, indexing, this every time you have to do. The verification process, only one time you will do it.
okay, all right. That's for the website verification actually.
Yeah.
After once the website is verified for every page and post, whatever you are writing, it's better to send it for crawling and indexing.
Correct.
Okay. All right.
So it's good that Google loved your content anyway. Yes, there are some mistakes anyway. Full-fledged, I'm not telling right now. To encourage you, I'm saying it's good actually. I'll show your mistake in the next video. So we'll rectify everything. Our target is to make your website, a particular blog, in a top 10 positions. It's possible anyway. It's not a rocket science anyway. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, 1 second. Now you submit your website to Google. You want to check whether it is indexed or not. So there is one operator called site colon your website name. Site colon your website name. So it's telling that 1410 pages have been indexed. How many
What
pages
does this
indexed?
mean?
This many pages have been indexed on Google of my website. These are all my website URLs.
How can you start? How do you check this?
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
You can't see the screen.
Site colon.
Your website name. Now I'm checking your website whether it is indexed or not. Lubna dot dialpalamru.com. Done. Can you see this? One page has been indexed. How is this possible? Because we crawled
Yeah.
it. We crawled it.
Yeah.
Correct? Now
Yeah.
remaining things also you crawl it, every page will be crawled.
Crawled and then indexed.
Yeah, crawl and index it.
Okay. So to check if the page is crawled and indexed, site colon and name of the website.
Now, when crawler have visited your website, you want to check. Crawler will come maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, once it will come. To check them, CACHE colon and your website name.
What
Now I can
does
tell
that
you.
mean?
It is showing that 5th November it came to my website. Today is 6th, means yesterday only crawler came to my website. At the time, the website is like this. So site colon and catch colon.
What does that say? What does that mean? Like site colon to check what?
All right, for you. Site colon is for how many pages are indexed on particular website. Catch colon means when crawler have come to your website.
When did crawler last visit your website, you mean?
Yes. Last visited your website. Site colon, catch colon. Now, you know what? I submitted your website with my Gmail account, but I can't give my Gmail account to you, right? You have to crawl from your Gmail account. So in this time, I can do one thing. I can give access to you. Click on settings here. I clicked on settings. There is an option, ownership verification done. Users and permissions. Okay. Now I can add user here. I'm adding your email address. Can you please tell me your email address?
masterchampu@gmail.com.
Master CHAMPU
yeah.
@gmail.com.
Yeah.
Then permission. What kind of permission you want to give? Full or restricted?
Full.
Yeah, I'm giving full. Add. Now you can check from your side. Type Webmaster tool, log in with the Gmail account. You'll be having access to this. This is how you can give access to some others.
That's also from Search Console only, right?
That's also from Search Console. Right. So, okay, it's good anyway. You're coming on top 100 anyway. There are some mistakes I'm going to rectify in the next class. Guys, people watching this video, and if you have any issues with the Webmaster tools, couldn't able to do it, put in the comment section so that I'll reply back to you. Okay. And yes, when you're writing a blog, when you're writing a content for your website, you might make some mistakes, as she also made some mistakes. I'm going to show in the next video, and the link also I'll put in the comment section. You can, in the description actually, you can click and watch that video. That will help you a lot on your on-page optimization. Okay. If anyone looking for my training, so come back to my website odmt.in and put a request on that so that we'll get in touch with you. If you have a company, you're looking for SEO services or digital marketing services, put a request to us so that we'll get back to you. Okay. Thank you very much.